Guys, welcome back to another video with Classic Games United. If you're new to this channel, guys, please subscribe, guys. Alright, I always here to help you all, and all the credit goes to my friend in my Discord server for finding the new solution for CC. So this is his name. This is the guy here. He provided the save and the ID to access CC, because this is the only way you could get the communications for now, because like 2K has blocked the online. So the fix for 2K23 and 2K24 cannot work with 2K25 because the servers has been changed due to 2K maybe adding protection to their servers, right? And this video is for educational purposes. I suggest that you buy the game, but if you want to try the game, then this video is for you, right? So I'm going to show you how to get CC and everything working. The game cannot work for me, so I'm using my friend's PC to do this tutorial. So let's get into it, right? So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna start the game. Alright guys, gonna do that tutorial now. Alright, so we're just gonna start the game. I have to use my friend PC to do this tutorial because the game cannot run on my PC, so I'm accessing someone PC using Parsec. Alright, so this video is for educational purposes, guys, just to help you all to get CC for now. This is the new method if you want to get some custom characters and play with them. Alright, so let's watch the video. Don't forget to subscribe. 10,000 subscribers, then you could join the Discord server and you could get the fix, right? All thanks to my friend. His name will be on the screen. He was able to come up with this method. I'm just doing the video to help you guys, right? And you know, if I'm helping you guys, most you could do is subscribe to the channel and then join the Discord server, and you could get the new method, the fix, right? So stay tuned and watch, and you will see. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you that CC is not working here as well because we don't get the proper saves and stuff. And as you can see, online does not work, as you see. So this is the new method to get custom characters. I'm gonna show you all now, but I'm gonna show you something first, and then I will show you how to get the custom characters, right? So let's watch and follow me, guys. So you go to here and scrolling, you will not see custom characters. You will see downloaded superstars, but you will not see custom characters. You see no custom characters here. Keep on watching, guys. We go again. I'm going slow. You wouldn't see custom characters here. So if you want CC communications, if you want the custom characters and stuff like arenas and stuff, then I'm gonna show you all how to get that now, right? So I'm gonna exit the game and I'm gonna show you how to do that, right? So I'll be back. Gonna exit the game, guys, and I'll be back. Alright guys, so in order to get the custom characters, the CC working, the new method, I'm gonna show you what to do, right? Now in my Discord server, I'm gonna show you what to do. Alright. You need to download this and you need to use this ID. Alright, I already have it downloaded. I'll just have to copy the ID. I'll copy the new ID. Alright, copy, and then go to here, wherever it is. This PC, go to wherever. Alright, go to this PC. We'll go to this PC, whatever your PC name is. Click on that, go to users, go to your username, and then go to app data, go to roaming, go to Goldbook MU saves, and go to here and put the new ID right here. Okay, put the new ID here and save it, right? So what you're going to now, go to downloads, and you will open up this. This is the new saves. Open up this. Press back, and you will delete this. You don't need this one here. Delete this. Alright, and then you will just drag the new saves into here. Alright. Alright, you'll just drag the new saves into here, and once you started the game, you should see custom characters, right? So I'll be back, right? Stay tuned, guys, and I'll be back. Alright, guys, back in the game. Alright, so once you click on play, alright, go to normal, go on view one-on-one, press play. You're supposed to see custom characters here. As you see, custom characters now shows up. As you can see, custom characters. Custom characters are now showed up. So you can select which one you want. Let's try this one. Alright, these are custom characters here. As you see, CC is working. So this is the new method. If you want to get custom characters, this is the new method, guys, to get CC. You understand? I know this is the main thing that you all want, different characters downloaded. Also, more saves will be coming soon, more characters will be coming soon. So this is it for now, guys. You know, we have a whole set of characters you can download here. Let's go through. Alright. So I'm gonna try this one. Right, confirm. Alright, so guys, let's try this one and see if it's working. Hopefully no crashing or anything. Alright, seems to be working. Yeah. You could experiment if you want to the new arenas and stuff. You understand? Now I'm just showing you the characters only. So this is the custom character here.
From Indonesia, weighing in at 220 pounds, Reed.
There's plenty to love about this competitor, but what really stands out to me is how they support their friends.
They should know better than to waste their time building bridges and inroads backstage. Those are just more directions for your enemies to attack you from.
Alright, guys, so this is the new character here. So we're just gonna play with him and see how it is. So this is the new way you'll get CC for now, because 2K has blocked the added protection to your servers. The new entrance and stuff. Come on. CM Punk.
At 218 pounds, CM Punk. Always outspoken, always ready for a fight.
You know, sometimes CM Punk makes life a little harder for himself, but he wouldn't have it any other way.
Punk is proud that he's a cop.
Oh, look out!
What a cowardly attack. Oh, come on, Cole, lighten up.
Standing shooting star press.
Sometimes you just gotta show off and show out.
Dragons
Clearly wasn't expecting this and now has the advantage.
Underhanded tactics.
Will they pay off?
The referee issuing a warning here.
I wanted to see this match. I hope the ref doesn't call it off.
Well, I actually agree with you, Saxton.
He wastes no time dodging the attack.
Oh, stomping away. Caught that and reversed it.
Out of harm's way.
Now you see, guys, it's working.
The last thing you want is for him to get fired up. Because once Punk gets on a roll, it's hard to stop him. You've got to do whatever you can to cut Punk off at the pads, to keep him from feeding off the energy of the crowd, to stay stuck in first gear. Or even better, Punk.
Yeah, not letting Punk get going is a solid strategy, Corey. And he slides him back to the mat. Action has made it back to the ring, and we can officially start this match.
Oh, man. Yeah, the refs got their hands full in this one.
Momentum is Punk's side.
CM Punk is stifling the opposition now.
Back elbow. Bullseye. Counter by CM Punk.
Ooh, bullseye.
Ooh, great anticipation.
Battle of counters. No one's getting their full offense in.
Can he put it away?
Damn, CM Punk wins. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. As you see, CC is working. This is the new method. You understand? So, guys, that's the new way that you'll get custom characters in the game. Hope that you all enjoy this short tutorial. And understand, simple and easy. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe to the channel. You understand, the goal of this of my YouTube channel is 10,000 subscribers. You understand? I always find a way, you know, to do these videos for you guys. All thanks goes to that guy in my Discord server that provided the saves and the ID, so we could get the custom characters, the CC working again. You understand? For now, this is the only way until maybe we could get a new fix. So this is the only way you could get custom characters and stuff, right? So I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. You understand? 10,000 subscribers, guys. Join the Discord server if you want these saves. You understand? Join the Discord server, guys. So without this being said, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in this video to come. And thanks to Love for allowing me to access his PC to do this video, because the game cannot run on my PC because I don't have the right requirements. So my friend here, Love, lent me his PC to do this tutorial. So I want to thank Love for that. So guys, I hope that this video will make you all happy. You understand? So thanks for watching once more. Don't forget to subscribe once more. Subscribe. Please, guys, please. It doesn't be easy. It's a big risk doing this video. It doesn't be easy doing these tutorials. So please, 10,000 subscribers, guys, please, and then you join the server, and then you'll get the fix, right? So thanks for watching. See you next video. Come subscribe. Love you guys. No Diddy. Love you guys. No Diddy. Take care and bye bye. Classic Games United out.